Most traders believe news is important. They think news moves the market. They think if they understand news early, they will make money. This belief sounds logical, but in real trading, it creates more confusion than clarity. News does not help most traders, it distracts them. It pulls them away from price, which is the only thing that truly matters. News is always late. By the time news reaches you, big players have already acted. Institutions do not wait for headlines. They move money quietly before news becomes public. When you read the news, price has already reacted. So when traders act on news, they are reacting to the past, not the present. News also comes with opinions. One channel says the market will go up, another says it will fall. One expert sounds confident, another sounds worried. This creates doubt in the trader's mind. When the mind is confused, decisions becomes weak. Trading requires clarity and news creates noise. Many traders notice something strange. Sometimes good news comes but price falls. Sometimes bad news comes but price rises. This confuses them deeply. They start asking, why is the market not behaving logically? The answer is simple. The market does not move on news. It moves on buying and selling. News only tries to explain moves after they happen. Price already shows what big players are doing. If they are buying, price rises. If they are selling, price falls. News arrives later to give reasons. When traders focus on news, they try to trade reasons. And when they focus on price, they trade reality. News creates emotional reactions. A positive headline creates excitement, a negative headline creates fear. Excitement pushes traders to enter late. Fear pushes traders to exit early. In both cases, discipline is lost. The trader is no longer following price, he is reacting to emotion created by news. Another problem with news is speed. News comes suddenly. The market moves fast. Retail traders try to react quickly and end up making impulsive decisions. They enter without planning. They exit without logic. The market rewards preparation, not reaction. News also changes every day. Today's big news becomes tomorrow's forgotten story. But price trends lasts longer. Traders who follow news keeps changing their bias. One day bullish, next day bearish. This creates inconsistency. A trader who follows price stays aligned with the trend until price itself changes. Many traders say, but news is important. Yes, news is important for long term stories, not for short term decisions. Even for long term, price will always reflect news impact better than headlines. If news is truly important, price will show it clearly. If price does not react strongly, the news was not important for the market. News gives traders false confidence. They feel informed, they feel smart, but information does not equal profit. Many highly informed traders still lose money because they cannot control emotions. Simple traders who follow price often do better because they are not overloaded with opinions. When traders mix news with charts, confusion increases. Price says one thing, news says another. The trader freezes or makes wrong choices. Price never argues with itself. News always argues. The market does not need you to understand why it is moving. It only needs you to respect how it is moving. When you stop asking why and start observing what, trading becomes easier. Trading Vijnanic teaches this simple rule. If news is important, price will show it. If price is not showing strength or weakness, ignore the news. Let price confirm everything. Price filters news for you. A calm trader does not check news every hour. He checks price. He knows that the market already knows everything. His job is not to predict, his job is to align with the market. News creates urgency, price creates patience. News pushes you to act fast, price teaches you when to wait. Traders who want excitement follow the news. Traders who want consistency follow the price. This does not mean you should never read news. It means you should not trade because of news. Use news only as background, never as a trigger. Let price decide entries, exits, and direction. When traders stop following news, they feel lighter. The mind becomes quieter, decisions becomes clearer. Losses become easier to accept. Wins become easier to hold. This cool and calm mind is a big advantage. The market is not a news contest, it is a behavior contest. Those who control emotions survive. Those who react emotionally disappear. If you feel confused, reduce the news. If you feel anxious, reduce the intake of news. If you feel impulsive, reduce news. Come back to price. Price is simple, price is truth, price is honest. Trading is not about knowing everything. It is about ignoring most things. News is one of those things that must be ignored most of the time. Trading Vijnanic believes in clarity over information, observation over opinion, and discipline over excitement. News creates excitement, price creates clarity. When you choose price over news, you stop chasing the headlines and start following the truth. And truths, when uncomfortable, always protect the disciplined trader. Thank you so much.